If we just want to go there and back.
lock us out? Oh, right. Please wait for attendant. I should have seen that. Thank you, my man. Oh, yeah, sorry. This one? Jump on the gun a bit.
Too keen,
mate. Too keen. Yeah, safe.
Oh my gosh, I'm real one of these.
Come with us.
Love to, trust me. First station, about 10 minutes away, Red Peak Station. If it gets a bit stuffy in here, that window can come down too as well.
Oh, it's too easy. Play that way.
Thanks.
Play that. Here we go.
Gosh, we're gonna go on a ride. Which sucks.
Just for a little note, I'm really scared of heights.
It's probably gonna be really hot in here.
Oh my god. Vibrations of red hot.
It's just like a
Look at where we come. Oh. Crocodiles.
No, imagine if we saw
Oh, this is so cool. Don't lean on the door.
big crocodiles.
That's it.
Look, we're gonna go so high.
Shit. Okay, hands are officially getting sweaty.
We're not even in the
Welcome to Cairns. let's get out. Let's get out.
Just kidding.
How are the waterfalls? Water falling? Anything else that I should know?
Wet.
Wet? Exciting?
Absolutely.
Yeah, alright,
Everything's exciting.
that's the energy. That's the energy. Alright, yeah, which way do we go?
If you head on down that ramp there, mate, you'll find 3 separate lookouts. On the other side, an interpretation centre. Once you've done all that, come on back up to me. Look, John, we'll go straight up.
Yeah, thanks, my man.
Thank you. I guess we have time.
He was nice. Damn, let's walk in.
That's good.
Nice. It's a big waterfall. Oh, fuck that. Hold up, what was that made for? Oh my god, that was made for humans.
That's what I mean.
Oh, snap, going over that gully. Holy shit!
Just rocks.
That doesn't even look real.
I know. Pretty.
It's pretty crazy. Yes. Thank you so much. I'll come back and I'll want to listen again. Thanks, man. You too. Hey fella.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that was pretty cool.